Hello guys, welcome back to Pick the Best Ones. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best pizza ovens. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Cuisinart CPO600 Alfrescamore. Cuisinart products play an important role in homes. The best spice grinders in its arsenal, for instance, are both stylish and functional. The quality pizza ovens that it has manufactured over the years also work flawlessly in both homes and restaurants. Cuisinart CPO600 Alfrescamore is such a product. Buy yours to get a portable day-to-day oven that works as well as the brick pizza ovens people used in the past. It is easy to set up. The food-safe materials used to make it are also ideal. They are durable. They are also chemical-free. Low-quality pizza ovens compromise both the performance and safety of people. Avoid them at all costs. To get a suitable model for day-to-day use, acclaimed products such as Cuisinart CPO600 Alfrescamore are the best. Its 15,000-bit system, for instance, is ideal. At full capacity, you will cook delicious pizzas in as little as 5 minutes. Its high-quality pan cooks evenly. Most homeowners like this pizza oven's tool-less assembly. Unlike some models that require professional installation, it comes ready to use. You can use it out of the box without sacrificing quality. It is also compact and light. If you camp or tailgate often, you can easily travel with one. You will like the quality of this pizza oven's parts. Its 13-inch corduroy stone is durable. You can cook up to 12-inch pizzas on it with good results. You also get a warming tray, a pizza making guide, and an integrated smoker cup for flavoring pizza. Save the tens of dollars that you spend on pizza daily. If you are conscious of the quality of the food you eat at home, avoid the low-grade ovens that some people have. Their chemical-laden designs often compromise the quality of the pizza they make. Buy a trusted product such as Cuisinart CPO600 Alfrescamore instead. Its 13-inch corduroy stone cooks up to 12-inch pizzas efficiently. It is also durable, powerful, and comes with a detailed pizza-making guide that eases its use. Buy yours now. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Camp Chef Italia Artisan. Cooking delicious pizza at home is no longer as challenging as it was in the past. The development of portable high-performance ovens have eases the process. Camp Chef Italia Artisan, for instance, is a compact everyday oven with a wealth of interesting features. Its fast system, for instance, preheats and cooks in just 15 minutes. You do not have to wait for long to enjoy delicious pizza. The dual-layered sealing that you get enhances its heating dynamics further. Expect well-cooked pizza with a delicious crust every time. Propane-powered ovens are efficient household accessories that take pizza cooking to the next level. They are cost-effective. They are also safe and have efficient systems that people enjoy using on a day-to-day basis. Camp Chef Italia Artisan is such a product. The micro-adjust valve that it has offers its users total flame control. Its valve ignition system built-in also works well. To cook delicious pizza, do not take temperature control lightly. Keep your oven at the correct for the type of pizza you are preparing to get good results. Camp Chef Italia Artisan can help you with this. The gauge that it comes with monitors its internal temperature automatically. This way, you will know when your oven is too hot or too cold and when to adjust it. The gauge is very accurate. It is also easy to read both indoors and outdoors. Do not buy one of the flimsy pizza ovens in stores that break down easily. A quality model such as Camp Chef Italia Artisan will serve you better. This is a durable product. The risk of it scratching or breaking down over time is slim. Because of its high safety rating, people of all cadres can also use it without issues. Electric pizza ovens are popular because of their convenience. However, some people find their wasteful systems annoying. If you are one of them, this propane-powered Camp Chef Italia Artisan oven will serve you well. Its low operation costs appeal to most people. The valve ignition and temperature gauge that it comes with, on the other hand, make cooking fun. You will enjoy using one. At number 3, we have the Pizzacraft pazak PC6500. For years, people have depended on brick ovens to cook pizza. They are effective. However, installing, using, and maintain one at home is a chore. This does not mean that you should settle for the soggy and flavorless pizza served in most restaurants. Modern pizza ovens such as Pizzacraft Pazak PC6500 work as well. Buy yours to get a portable outdoor pizza oven for personal or commercial use. It has a sturdy and durable design. It also has a fast and well-engineered system that preheats just in 15 minutes. Cooking pizza at home is a fun process. Individuals get an opportunity to try out many recipes. With the help of a quality pizza oven such as Pizzacraft Pazak PC6500, people also have good control of the process. Buy yours to get a durable outdoor oven that cooks pizza in just 6 minutes. During weekends, your kids will not wait for long to eat pizza. It is also good party oven. Are you shopping for a new pizza oven that you use while tailgating and/or camping? Pizzacraft Pazak PC6500 is a portable product with a wealth of interesting features. Its propane-powered system, for instance, is convenient. You do not need an electrical outlet to cook pizza. It also has an efficient system. The quality of this pizza oven is desirable. If you have used brands that have broken down fast or failed to cook well, buy this one. The 14-inch Corderite pizza stone that it has is durable. It also heats up fast and retains heat for long for even cooking. Made of steel, its frame is also durable. The risk of it breaking or denting while cooking or during its transportation is very slim. Cooking delicious pizza at home is not as hard as some people think. If you are struggling to cook perfect pizza, your oven might be at fault. Replace it with a new Pizzacraft Pazak PC6500 to have a dramatic improvement. The 14-inch Corderite stone it uses distributes heat well. It is also chemical-free and is relatively easy to clean after use. You will also like this oven's steel frame. It has an eye-catching design. It also serves people excellently for many years. At number 2, we have the Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus. For decades, people depended on restaurants for pastries such as pizza. This is no longer the case. The advent of technology has seen the development of premium pizza ovens for use in homes. To get an original one that you will enjoy using every day, Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus is the best. Popular all over the world, this is a reputable product. Its sturdy structure, for instance, is desirable. It lasts long. It also has a food-grade design with a rotating tray that ensures fast and even baking. This product will serve you well at home. Do you enjoy crusty pizzas? Are you tired of the soggy ones served in your local store? Buy a new Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus pizza oven. Fitted with both top and bottom elements, it cooks pizzas fast and evenly. These elements have different controls. If you enjoy crusty pizza, you can customize their performance on demand to deliver your preferred results. They are also durable. When cooking pizzas in traditional clay ovens, people have to gamble with time. Others have to check their pizzas often to monitor progress. With this Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus oven, these are non-issues. Original ones have timer signals that tell you when pizza is ready. They also turn off elements automatically once pizza is ready. This prevents it from burning if you are away. Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus has a non-stick pan. This improves the quality of the pizzas people get in all settings. Its energy-efficient system is also ideal. Compared to conventional ovens, you save up to 60% of power with this one. Buy yours from Amazon today. It will improve how you cook pizza at home. Do you enjoy eating pizza on a day-to-day basis? To prepare delicious recipes at home, Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus is one of the best ovens to use. Unlike standard wood-fired kilns that people used in the past, its electricity-powered design is easy to use. It is also efficient and has a broad non-stick pan with a rotating platform that distributes heat evenly. It cooks delicious pizzas fast. And finally at number 1, we have the Betty Crocker BC2958CR. Even though less known, Betty Crocker has many valuable products in its arsenal. Its line of pizza makers is one of the most popular all over the world because of its quality. BC2958CR, for instance, is a professional-grade pizza maker with a versatile 12-inch design. If you enjoy pizzas with crispy crusts, this is one of the best products to use. It is also perfect for baking nachos, croissants, and mini frittatas to name a few. A new one will not let you down. Most low-grade pizza makers have questionable pans that lower the quality of pizzas. If you have such a product, replacing it with Betty Crocker BC2958CR is one of the best decisions you can make. The non-stick baking pan it comes with works well. You do not need oil or sprays to prevent your pizza from sticking. It also bakes delicious pizza with crispy crusts every time. People who cook pizza at home have the liberty to experiment with various recipes. However, for the best experience, you need a quality pizza maker. One of the low-grade budget model available online will only let you down. Buy Betty Crocker BC2958CR instead. It is a fast and fun product to use. It also has a power-efficient system that saves people money in the long term. You do not require a lot of skill to use this Betty Crocker BC2958CR pizza maker. Off the shelf, for instance, it comes ready to use. All you have to do is connect it to an electrical outlet to cook delicious pizza. Its simplicity is also desirable. You can cook in it and clean it after use without any issues. Ranked among the best pizza ovens in stores, Betty Crocker BC2958CR has many desirable attributes. If you are looking for a power-efficient oven that cooks fast and efficiently, for instance, this is a suitable option. It works well in homes. In commercial establishments such as restaurants, its spacious 12-inch design also comes in handy. You can set it up and cook delicious pizza easily. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.